Wow, I'm glad we stopped here before we heading to the Old Faithful. Look at that. It's just like the waves from the ocean. Except like water is so much hotter. Fountain paint pot.
That's what
Okay.
it's called.
Yeah, this location. Yeah. Fountain paint pot. Wow. Large cooking pot. Adding water from rain and snow to make a muddy consistency. Wow. Gee, that's amazing. The nature is cooking. Wow. Amazing, amazing. This one you can see so close, right? Oh, this is cooking again. All the smokes come out. Wow.
Hey, this one's erupting. It's a pot.
Look at that. Wow.
Really? Oh, okay. I've seen a few of them.
Like that place is just awesome. No, I wanted one with
She wants one alone.
C'est quoi? Ça, c'est une.
Wow.
C'est une.
Peut-être on peut dire un creux.
It's boiling, huh?
Yeah.
It's boiling.
Yeah, aussi.
That is so cool.
De temps en temps, ça.
And that's what you're pointing out. Not the hole, but the boiling.
Le boiling, yeah.
Creux.
I want all of us, Mama.
When you
It's like
use
cooking.
the word creux,
Ok, comment tu appelles ça?
Wow, you can see it. It's boiling like a hot pot.
when you said creux, ça fait quoi?
No, because you say this.
Amazing.
flat and you have like a
Mom,
Wow. All this hot water shit out of the sky. Oh my god.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Amazing. Look at that.
It sounds like the ocean.
Yeah, except that the water is too hot.
Yeah, a little warmer than the ocean.
Hot, not warm. Wow. Wow. With the cloud in the sky is so perfect nature. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let's see another side. This side have oh this side went off now.
That's not as impressive.
This one is too small. Amazing.
I'm not sure about this one. They definitely have in the Oak Faithful. Because they know in Oak Faithful at about 22 feet under, that can see that
is a
pipe can
fountain?
see about 4 inches. And that's how
Fountain Geyser.
Fountain
Fountain Geyser. Wow. So all different kind of geyser, right?
Yeah.
But this one is like
If they
fountain.
shoot water up, it's called a geyser.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's really like an ocean. Except that the water is hot. Oh my God.
They let this one start to shoot out now.
Oh, this one start now. This small one start now. It seems like every 2 or 3 minutes, because when we walked in that side, we just got in. It was on, but now it's on again. Okay, it's off again. Okay, let's get back to this side. Oh my God. That's another one. Small one by the side. Amazing. Woo. Wow, the nature is just amazing. Oh,
It's getting wild.
oh, this one is tall. Wow. Wow. Woo! This one is higher too.